cells in the organism of mankind? What if by healing our own cell and keeping it as clean as possible, we are able to do our share to heal the world? How can we take care of our own cell? We can be very attentive of what we are thinking, what we are talking, what we let into our cell from the outside world. Who do we believe in? Who do we listen to? Do we listen to our own intuition, which is connected to the divine? Or do we listen to voices from outside who tell us how we should act? What can we do to clean our cells? We can use, for example, a very powerful tool to forgive ourselves, to get the dirt and the dark weights which are still inside and blocking our well-functioning of our cell. We can do that by forgiving ourselves, for example. We can say, I'm sorry. I didn't do what was right for me. I forgive myself. I love myself. Thank you for the transformation. This is a Hawaiian ritual, as you might know, Ho'oponopono. You can also do that to clean yourself from dirt you have in your own cell in relation to other people. You can also say, I'm sorry that we cannot connect to each other as I would love to. I forgive you. I love you. Thank you for the transformation. This is what you can do to heal the world. Start with your own cell. Be attentive what you're thinking, what you're talking, how you act, which story you keep repeating to yourselves, which belief systems you follow, and whenever needed, forgive yourself for whatever you feel is not in alignment with yourself, and forgive everybody else who you need to forgive in order to have a clean functioning cell and in order to do your job well on this earth. And if we all do that and keep our own cells functioning, the organism of mankind will become much healthier in no time. So have fun cleaning your cells, take care of yourselves, make it a nice place, make yourself a nice place where you enjoy being, and See you soon. Bye bye.